If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To rearrange the order of columns from left to right within any transaction detail report in QuickBooks, display the transaction detail report whose columns you want to rearrange on screen. For the column to move, place your mouse pointer over the column name in the column headings at the top of the report until the mouse pointer changes into a hand icon. Then click and drag the column left or right. As you are clicking and dragging the column, a small upward pointing red arrow appears between the column names. This arrow indicates where the column will be placed when you release the mouse button. When it is in the desired location, release the mouse button to move the column to the selected location. You can resize columns in any type of QuickBooks report by placing your mouse pointer to the right of the name of the column you want to resize until the mouse pointer changes into a thin vertical line intersected by a horizontal arrow. At that point, click and drag left or right with your mouse pointer to resize the column. Release the mouse button when the column is the size you desire. Also, starting in QuickBooks Desktop Pro 2020, you can now expand and collapse column groups within reports that contain column groupings by job or by class. For example, if you open the Profit and Loss by Job report, you can expand and collapse the jobs shown for each customer. To do this, if available within your report, click the small plus or minus signs to the left of the column grouping to expand or collapse them. Alternatively, to collapse or expand all column groups in the report if available, click the Collapse Columns or Expand Columns button in the report's toolbar. This is a toggle button that switches to the opposite command of the command currently applied. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.